in this video we're going to talk. Hey everyone, welcome back. In last few videos we talk about how we can export a PSD from the Canva. That's a quite interesting na? Yeah, but in this video we're going to talk about how we can import PSD files. But it's not quite simple one, like you export PSD and you can import a PSD. We have to do some tricks. So in this case we're going to go free pick and we're going to download any PSD. So I'm just going to search a post and so we can find any interesting PSD. So which one you like it, let's go. This one is all. You have to click on the download and let me download it and export this PSD here. So we have a PSD file here. Now I'm going to use a PSD edit. You can use Photoshop, but currently I didn't install the Photoshop, so I'm going to use this site. So just let me look for it. Where's the file? Where's the file? Here's the file. Let me open the file, and if you want to do any changes you can do it. Otherwise all you just need to do, export as a PDF. That's all. You export it as a PDF and you have to go on your favorite site, Canva, and you have to click on the create design. Here you have an option import file, and then okay, it's a business, so I'm going to import this file. So it's going to take a little bit time. But still you have to do the little bit editing, because when you import the file sometimes you don't have a same font, sometimes you not, because you are importing the basically PSD file, so you have to manage the few things. So like here you can see we have a same file, but we have to little bit, you have to do the adjustments according to your need. So like if I change the font I can easily, so when I click on this font, the font going to change because this font are not available in Canva. So if you have a premium version you can easily install the font. Otherwise all you have to just replace it with some same font style, and now you can edit this according to your need and you can start using this same file in Canva. But never do it the never hurt the anyone intellectual property right. Basically you export the file from the free pick and import it as a premium version in Canva, because it's not going to work. Remember this, and this is not a good practice also. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.